So let's start with the first job opening. So there's a company, Outwork Solutions Private Limited. So they are looking for these positions, right? There might be some of for the developers, and there is couple of for some support team. So all those requirement is along with the location, experience, and skills. So this is the mail ID on which you need to drop your resume and like increase anyone looking for any of the role. Or just read all those of funky things. So they're looking for technical recruiter for Noida and Pune, 1 to 3 years of experience is required, and there are a couple of skills which is required along with the positions, right? And associate analyst again, which is the favorite domain of cybersec folks. DLP analyst, I don't know about it. Vulnerability engineer and VIEH engineer. So most of the thing is for cyber security boost, right? If you're fresher, you can look for technical recruiter or associate analyst, right? Because it want 1 years of experience. Okay, and like freshers usually have 1 year's experience, so you can do it. Now let's move to the next one. So again, there is one more company which is Hunting Cube. Okay, so Hunting Cube is a company. They are looking for security researcher, security incident responder, cloud security analyst, and the last one is security consultant with SOC team and client handling experience, right? So they want minimum 3 years of experience. So you should have minimum of 3 years of experience. And Babban @huntingcube.com is the mail ID on which you can drop. So make sure if you have knowledge, and the job is in Gurugram, so most probably you need to work on ground, which is in Delhi NCR, right? So just be safe on that place. Now next one. So if you have passionate about site, whatever fucking things are written over there. So they want for a cybersecurity engineer those who knowledge about Splunk, okay, Splunk, Cribble, and AWS, which is pretty common in the security domain. Job location is Gurugram. 3 days mandatory office. Like it's a hybrid kind of job. That's what I feel. It's a hybrid, not work from office, not specifically work from home. It's a hybrid where you need to work minimum 3 days from office, and your office will be in Gurugram. Minimum 3 years of experience is required. Splunk, Cribble, AWS, and this is a mail ID. So guys, just be aware because this is a Gmail, and most of the companies share with their official mail. So just check from your side. If you get scammed, then congratulations, you got scammed. I will not be any part of that specific scenario. So just authenticate from your end. Okay, now next one is company is looking for multiple positions, and you need to send your again a mail ID, Gmail ID. Just be aware, guys. 5 to 2 years of experience is required. Domain is network security, data network WAN technology, which is a wide area network, SD-WAN. I hope you know what is SD-WAN, what is WAN. If you don't know about, then we have a YouTube channel, Cyber or Coffee. Okay, so you can check where I have explained all those topic in a very simple format, so you can understand and you can get this type of job, जहाँ पे भाई पैसा ही पैसा होगा. But anyways, let's stick to a topic. So this is Gmail again. Just be sure, like this is a company mail or what. Right. So guys, that's all for today. If you have any questions, please ask. And this is the Discord link of VIH group. If you want, you can join for a lot of funky things. Cyber Coffee, yes, channel has been started, and there are a couple of videos we are uploading on daily basis. Okay, and this is what, like this is a Hindi channel, Cyber Coffee, जहाँ पे networking courses share करता हूँ, and this is the one which is the best thing that you can get on internet, like our training and internship program, which is on cybersecurity for sure, and most probably you'll get a job or good package after completion. So just check out. Have a great day, Jai Hind. So let me end the live.